Facebook may ban your account, your ad account at some point. This ban on your ad account, it doesn't affect your regular Facebook, but it stops you from advertising on Facebook. It denies you access to your Facebook pixel if you have one attached, and you can do nothing with your ads manager. So it's not a pleasant experience to have your ad account restricted, but for a lot of reasons this can happen. One of them chiefly being that you violated one of the Facebook ad policies. But when this happens, what do? Of course, you should be worried, but you shouldn't be worried because it can be reactivated, and you have to reactivate this and request for a review. So let's assume you have an account that was disabled. The first thing you need to do is to go to your ads manager. From here it says Facebook business and event manager. So once you have a disabled account, it means you can't do anything. So the moment you come to the business account, you will get this pop-up like this. It says business account restricted from using event manager. This means I can't even access the pixel that is attached to this ad account. So I have to request a review. So you get a pop-up like this for you to request a review. You can do it here or do it from top here. So let's see what we can achieve from here. So you click on request a review, and then it's going to give you a form like this. It's going to give you a form like this with the select business account. So you have to select the very one that has been banned if you have a lot of them like I do here. So this is the one that was banned. So you select it. Okay, now it's requesting that I make an identity confirmation required because it was a suspicious, they said they noticed a suspicious activity on my account, so I have to confirm an identity. So if yours falls in this category, what you have to do is click on confirm identity. Here they want you to submit a document. So they said they noticed an unusual activity on my account. So before you can request, we need you to confirm your identity. So when you click on confirm, you will see a page where you have to submit some of the things they want you to submit, and we'll wait for it to load and see what they want us to give to them. So here's a security check they want us to pass, so to prove to them that we are no robots. No, we are no robots. And of course, this is a live video I'm making for you, so you can have a proper idea of how to do this thing. So now it requires you to upload an ID, and from here let's look at what kind of IDs they accept. So here there's a list of IDs they accept. So under the government ID, you can issue your birth certificate, your driver's license, a passport, a marriage certificate, official name change paper, voter's ID card, family certificate, visa, national age card, immigration registration card, tax identity card, and all that. So you can equally submit a bank statement, a transit card, check, credit card, employment verification, etc. So you can go through this and look for anyone you have to submit, and you submit it. So when you've selected one, all you have to do is you can scan or just take a picture of it, and then it will take you to upload, and you can just select it from your desktop. So I have no interest in appealing this ban. I have no interest in appealing it because I don't actually use it anymore, and as you can see, I have other ones that I use, so I don't want to upload I don't want to upload anything. But that's how you can ask for a review if your ad account has been disabled under suspicious activity ground. So let's go back again. If it wasn't restricted based on suspicious activities, you can just select if you're an admin. Of course, you have to be an admin to be able to ask for a review. So you must be an admin of the ad account that was disabled. So you have selected the ad account. So you say, why are you requesting a review? I'm not sure which policy violated. I think there was an unauthorized use of my business account. Another reason. If you have another reason, then you check on that and make a list and give them the reason why you think the ad was disabled. But if you are not sure, you can just click on this and click on send. So that's how you appeal a disabled account for it to be reactivated. Now this account has no issues. It's a perfectly working account, so that's why I do not need to click this and complete this. This is actually the banned one, and it wants me to upload an identity, which I'm not ready to do now. So if you fall under this category, this is because they say they notice a suspicious activity. So sometimes it's not about suspicious activities. It can be a violation of their ad policy. So in this case, you may not need to confirm your identity. So you just have to fill this, tick this and that, and click submit, and you get a reply from Facebook about the decision they've taken if your ad account will be reactivated or not. Of course, if they do not reactivate it, you can ask for a review again. I hope this video is important to you. I hope it helps you. Thank you for watching. My name is Good Noel. Bye.